FHN, CFG.
Hey guys, I just wanted to pop in here for a minute and, say if you haven't watched the
FNB,
recap video from yesterday,
JCI,
go back and watch it. You'll understand exactly how this trade
BDCT,
came about and how we're, managing this thing. Remember, I told you, you can't use any of the technicals. You're not trading off of this chart. We're trading off of the SPY. It's coming up. There it is. We're trading off of the SPY. We're using the technicals off of it to let us know when to trade. If you try to trade off of this, I know it looks like it, but that's not the ideal thing for you to do. Everything is really based off the SPY. So I kind of explained that to you yesterday. But on this, our trailing stop is going to be the 9 moving average here. Once it takes out the 9, I'll take the rest of this trade off and we'll start over again. Not the 9 on TVIX, but the 9 on the SPY. And then once we get a bounce and we put in a lower low, you can see how all this morning we were putting in lower lows. Even though this gapped up and opened green, we were putting in lower lows. So it was just a no-brainer to get in this. But the problem is you've got to give it enough room in order to work. It was really choppy this morning. So if you got in and you had a small, account and you couldn't give it a whole lot, then it would be too easy to get chopped out. This thing is it's a lot more choppier today than it was the last 2 days. But still very tradable if you give it enough room. But like I said, like I promised, I will, do just a full class on this on Wednesday for our weekly education webinar that we do here in chat. I will do a full class on it. Yeah, on the
GNTX,
the VIX, the TVIX. I tried to explain it real simple in the video yesterday of how the TVIX gets its value. What makes it move. Because it's not based on supply and demand. It's based on, the S&P 500 short-term volatility futures. I can't remember the exact name of it right now. But that's what this is based off of. And the SPY pretty much is an ETF for the S&P 500 that pretty much gets all of its data, from there. So, by Wednesday, the big sell-off may not be there, but at least the next time we get a nice sell-off, you'll be in position and poised to make some money. Because like I said, we could have made a ton of money Wednesday and Thursday. It's frustrating to me because of, Mother Nature here, what I had to deal with. But, we got a little bit yesterday. We're getting a little bit today. So I think we're in pretty good shape. But just wanted to take a minute and go through this with you guys. So now what we're doing is just waiting. My next target on this is 46. And my ultimate target is going to be where yesterday's close price was.
AXTA,
which is what, up around 48 or so. I can't remember.
FHN.
But that's what I'm waiting on. So 46 I'm waiting on
JPX.
next, and then the rest we're just going to see how high we can go toward the end of the day.
CFG. PBCT, ISBCs,